Good morning, welcome to this new video. Today we will show you how to assemble this load cell mounting kit.
So we start to install the kit with first the shim, then the load cell. Pay attention to the direction of the load. Make sure the load cell is straight, the base. And then take them. So with the bushing, insert the bolt on the load cell, screw the bolt to adjust the height of the feet, and when the height is okay, screw the bolt into the load cell and tighten the locking nut. So we have to install ground connection. Bolt the two cables on the base. And connect this to the ground system.
Thanks for watching. If you need some help, please contact us by phone or through our website.